Escaping the wind this morning, that's going to be the task. Wind gusts are going to hit 35 to 40 miles per hour through lunchtime. The weird thing is that we're going to flip the script of what we usually see for wind gusts. We usually get them later in the afternoon, call it that 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. time frame. That today will be when all of it starts to die down. So, escaping the wind, but still having to deal with it this morning, but not having to deal with it this afternoon. Oh, don't worry, it comes back Thursday. That's also when our next cold front arrives. That will give us another good round of wind, of course, but it also does bring the initial change that's going to lead to what's coming in this weekend. Talking snowfall, potential, no accumulations, and some really cold air. Get your hot drinks ready. We're hitting the 20s.